Good morning, one and all. Today, I'm going to explain the topic computer memory. Memory plays a very important role in a computer. It is the basic unit where data and instructions are stored. So, memory is an internal storage area in a computer which is available to store data and programs either permanently or temporarily. Computer memory is divided into two groups, primary memory and secondary memory. Memory unit. A computer processes and stores data and instruction in the form of two digits 0 and 1. These digits are called the binary digits or bits. A bit is the smallest unit of information that a computer can process and store. A group of 4 bit is known as nibble and a group of 8 bit is called byte. Primary memory. Primary memory is often known as working memory or the main memory of a computer. Primary memory is of two types, volatile and non-volatile. When the power is turned off, volatile memory loses its content. Non-volatile memory, in contrast, does not lose its content when the computer is turned off. There are two types of primary memory, RAM and ROM. RAM. RAM is also called main memory. It consists of memory chips that can be read from and written to by the processor and other devices. When we turn on a computer, certain operating system files are loaded into RAM from a storage device such as hard disk. These files remain in RAM as long as the computer is on. RAM can accommodate multiple programs and applications simultaneously. There are different types of RAM like SRAM, DRAM, AMRAM. ROM. It stands for Read Only Memory. ROM chips contain data, instruction or information that is recorded permanently. For example, ROM contains the basic input-output system BIOS, which is a sequence of instructions the computer follows to load the operating system and other files when you first turn on the computer. It is also called firmware. There are different types of ROM chips. First, PROM, programmable read-only memory. Second, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Difference between RAM and ROM. RAM, it is used in computers' regular operation after loading the OS. ROM, it is used mostly in a computer's startup process. The writing data is a fast process in RAM. The writing data to ROM is very slow process. A RAM chip can store a lot of data up to 16 GB. But in ROM chips usually store only a few megabytes of information, around 4 MB per chip. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store the data for a long time. It operates at a slower rate than primary memory. It is permanent in nature and it is also known as backup memory. The main example of secondary memory is hard disk. The difference between primary and secondary memory: primary memory is known as main memory and secondary memory is known as backup memory. Primary memory is faster than secondary memory, and the example of primary memory are ROM and RAM. Secondary memory examples: floppy disk, CD, DVD, USB flash drive. Cache memory. Cache memory is a temporary storage area for instructions and data that enhance the CPU speed. Most of today's computers improve their processing time with cache memory. Cache memory improves the processing speed of the computer because it stores frequently used instructions and data. There are three types of layers of cache memory: layer 1 or level 1, level 2 and level 3. Thank you.